So this is the landing page of our project. Here we can see that we have a staggered menu of buttons like login, sign up, and citizen portal, which is so the citizens can see the AQI levels across Delhi NCR, and a policy dashboard, which can be used by the government to track how AQI levels are affected by certain policy changes. The Get Started button takes us to the login page if you have already signed up. The View and Analytics button, which shows us the real time data taken from satellite to display AQI and pollution levels. Here we can see the features of our project, which make us different from other available AQI focused websites. Our AI model allows us to give 24/7 updates and helps us maintain a system of wide connectivity. So like I mentioned, the Get Started button takes us to the login page. As we are displaying a new user, we will create a health profile first. As we are creating the health profile, we can see that we have a special feature which allows the user to mention about their past medical history, so we can help them determine which areas to avoid at what times in order to maintain their health. After the login page, we are taken to back to the landing page where we can now access the citizen portal. Here we have a heat map and another page called markers where we can see the pollution markers across Delhi NCR. We have displayed the AI category on the right side of the page, which helps the user figure out whether a particular area is safe to go to or whether it should be avoided. The user can also sign up for subscriptions so that they can be alerted about any health hazards without needing to open the website. We also have a special feature called map layers where we have different filters to choose from, like NO2 concentration, wind flow lines, and forecast mode, which helps us give 24-hour overlay. We also have a feature where we can search the safest possible route for our locations to avoid going through high AQI harmful zones. Even with wrong spelling, our AQI model is capable of detecting the correct word. There is also a small arrow between the two locations which we can use to interchange them. We also have a health alert feature which gives health alerts. These are personalized health alerts that are given according to the details filled in the health profile. Now we also have the policy dashboard. This is for the policymakers, essentially the government. This provides them with information on major pollutants and also gives a confidence score which tells us about the accuracy of our prediction. We can also see a detailed analysis of our prediction so that the policymakers can be informed about all the recommendations and what things need to be given more importance. We also have an AI policy assistant, which tells us about the current situation and gives us an analysis summary along with the primary score. Our next feature is the policy intervention simulator, which tells us how recommended policies will affect the pollution levels. Currently, our AI model hasn't been routed to give predicted data, but it will be implemented in the future.